Hello guys, welcome to the Android Classroom. So guys, today we are going to learn how we can save and retrieve data in Firebase Realtime Database using Flutter application. So guys, as you can see, we are going to create a contact list app where we are going to save a person's name, number and type of contact he is, like family, friend, etc. So as you can see, here is a list of all the contacts which I have saved, which we are going to save in our application. And if I click on this add button, a form comes up. Here I will write the name uh, and let me write number. Let me write and save contact. You can see the contact has been saved with the type family and number name Ali. So guys, as you can see, each of our contact category is represented by a particular color. Like family is represented by green, others by orange, friends by teal, and work by brown. So guys, what I mean by this is, this tutorial is not just about Firebase, it's also about Flutter. We are going to learn a lot about Flutter in this tutorial. Guys, it would be a lot easier for me to just create a tutorial of showing you how to read and write data in Firebase using Flutter. But to make this tutorial exciting for you, I came up with an idea of creating a contact list app. Guys, I believe the most enjoyable way of learning is to create something valuable while you are learning it. That's why I always comes up with an idea of creating an end product with each of my tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, that's a lot of talking. Now let's start coding in the next lectures.